The 8th edition of International Day of Yoga is being celebrated today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the mass yoga demonstration at Mysuru in Karnataka. In Meghalaya, the International Day of Yoga is also being celebrated across the state. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Monday visited different landslide areas under Mawson Ram block in East Khasi Hills and handed over an ex gratia sanction letter to the next of kin of the families who lost their life in the recent landslide. He also offered his condolences to the family members. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the transactions through Unified Payment Interface UPI have crossed $1 trillion mark in financial year 2022, and today India is first in global digital transactions. The guidelines for the Production Link Incentive Scheme for telecom and networking products have been amended to introduce the design-led manufacturing with additional incentive rates. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla said today that a comprehensive plan have been prepared to further improve the rail facilities in the country.